Alrighty, let's talk about currency conversion. So every single country has its very own currency, and each of these convert in very different ways. So for example, one Australian dollar, one AUD, is the equivalent currently, it's going to change, to 0.72 USD, American dollars. Alrighty? So therefore, our dollar is worth less than theirs because one Australian dollar isn't even worth one US dollar. So how do we convert between these two? Well, the conversion rate all happens here. And it basically goes like that. If you want to go from this unit to that unit, well, you multiply by 0.72. And if you want to return the other way, well, the opposite of times is divide by 0.72. Let's look at a word question and see if we can use this to our advantage. Alrighty, so Abigail has just returned from a holiday in Asia. She has 142,000 Vietnamese dong, 1,500 Malayan ringgit, and 4,000 Thai baht that she wants to exchange for Australian dollars. How much will she get back using the following exchange rates? Alrighty, so these are all Australian dollars into foreign currencies, and we've been only given foreign currencies. So we're going to be going backwards on this chart, meaning we're going to be dividing by each of the amounts. So for the first one, let's do 142,000 Vietnamese dong. Well, since we're going back to Australian, we're going to be dividing, and the conversion rate is 21,000. So divide $21,940, which gives us $6.47 Australian. Alrighty, so it looked like a lot of amount, but the Vietnamese dong was not worth a lot when this was done. Alrighty, let's do the next one. So the next one is Malayan money, so 1,500 Malayan ringgit, and the conversion is to do with the next one along. So 1,500 ringgit, and we want this in Australian dollars. So the conversion rate we're going to be using is this one, and we're going the wrong way, which means we're dividing. So once again, divide, but this time by 3.19. So 1,500 divided by 3.19 gives us $470.22 after rounding in Australian dollars. And the last one for A is the baht, which is 4,000 baht. It's a Thai currency. And the conversion rate is going to be, once again, divide, because we're going back to Australian dollars, divide by 31.14, which gives us $128.45 Australian. The next digit was a 2, so we're rounding down. Alrighty, so that's how much she will get back if she uses those currency. In total, well, we can add up all of these together, which will be $605.14. However, in reality, you're probably going to get less. And the main reason for this is that it usually costs you some amount of money to actually convert currency. So you're probably not going to get all of this money back. You're probably only going to get a small part of it. But let's look at B. Abigail takes a trip later in the year and exchanges 200 Australian dollars for US dollars. So this is going forward from Australian dollars outwards. So how much will she get if one US dollar is equal to 75 cents? And you can see 75 US cents. And you can see even my conversion rate from above was based on today's. Whereas when this question was written, it was 3 cents higher. That's part of the issue with currency conversions, is they change. They're not constants. So just be mindful of that. You know, all of these currency conversions will change over time. So this time we've got 200 Australian dollars, and we want to convert it into the US dollars, so we're going to multiply by the conversion rate, multiply by 0.75, which gives us 1,500 American dollars, so that's Australian dollars, and that gives us 150 US dollars. And there you go. So there's a little bit on currency conversions. It's not terribly difficult, but the main thing is you need to know what the currency conversion is. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.